What if I told you this tiny 4.3-inch screen is running 3 completely different animated worlds, all powered by an ESP32? Let's walk you through 3 visual projects that turn your microcontroller into a piece of living art. A Zen Garden with cherry blossoms, a peaceful aquarium, and a full day and night cycle running at a smooth 30 FPS. We will be using the Waveshare ESP32 board with 4.3-inch touch LCD. But you can use any other ESP32 board too. Let's start with the aquarium, a tiny underwater world designed purely for relaxation. There are 3 fish, each with its own style: a steady medium orange fish, a slow gliding turquoise giant, and a small coral red one that darts around quickly. Their motion feels organic. They pick destinations, accelerate smoothly, pause occasionally, and glide like real fish. A gentle wobble makes their swimming look natural. Bubbles rise from the bottom with sine wave drift. The plants sway continuously, and the water transitions from light to deep blue with a smooth vertical gradient. This is the kind of animation you just leave running on your desk, endlessly relaxing to watch. And if you want to make it interactive, you can even add a tap to drop food feature so the fish swim toward it. Next up, the Zen Garden. This one feels almost meditative. The tree grows in real time using a fractal system. It starts as a single trunk, branches divide recursively, and randomness in the angles and lengths ensures every tree is unique. Each branch is drawn using the classic Bresenham line algorithm, which keeps the edges sharp and pixel perfect even on a tiny display. It's lightweight, fast, and ideal for rendering hundreds of branches without dropping frames. As the tree finishes growing, cherry blossoms bloom at the branch tips, simple geometric shapes that look surprisingly delicate. Tap near a blossom, and petals fall with soft physics, drifting, rotating, and settling on the ground. A subtle wind effect continually sways the branches. Using sine waves, deeper branches move more, the trunk moves least. It's incredibly calming to watch. Finally, the day-night cycle, a complete 24-hour world condensed into a few minutes. It begins at dawn with coral and purple skies. The sun rises smoothly along a curved path, and the sky transitions into bright midday blue. Midday brings high-contrast colors, atmospheric mountains, and river sparkles created by detecting highlight points in the wave pattern. As dusk arrives, warm oranges and purples take over, and the sun sinks toward the right. Night introduces stars twinkling independently, a soft crescent moon, and silvery river reflections. The 3 mountain layers shift color over the day, adding a sense of depth and atmosphere. All of this happens at 30 FPS on a microcontroller. It's surprisingly mesmerizing. And that's it, 3 completely different visual experiences, all running on the same ESP32-S3 display. The full code is linked in the description. If you enjoyed this, please hit subscribe. Thank you.